Good evening, my sweet angels. Welcome back to my channel. With you today is Adri Beauty Tutorials, and finally I'm back. Sorry for that I didn't make new video. Now I'm back, and today's video I'm filming in the hotel room, and actually today is very important day for me. I'm going out with my boyfriend and so in today's video you're gonna see how I treat my skin with special masks and how I made this makeup, and hope you're gonna enjoy this video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and see you soon in my next one. Have a nice evening. Bye. Love you all. Ciao. Oh, don't forget, keep watching. Bye. First of all, before you apply the mask for your face, clean your face with cleanser without alcohol, and then if you want to get your skin very beautiful, I use this L'Oreal skincare mask. I use this Pure Clear Purity mask to clean and detox my skin before I using a lot of cosmetic and so on. Okay, let's go. And when you use this mask, you apply this on all your skin on your neck, and you need to use this 20 minutes, and it's very good if you have sauna like me, and you can go inside the sauna for 20 minutes and this mask don't gonna dry out, and let's go. It smells very nice, and it's like a butter, and it's very good for your skin before you use makeup. If you want that your skin is not red, it's clear and so good looking like me, then you have to use a mask like this. And this is mask you can use to your lips as well. It's moisturize your lips and your face together. And if you're a girl who loves go to solarium, this mask is very good for you, because when you go to solari, it's dry out your skin and you need to moisturize your skin, and use this mask every week, and you're gonna get very good looking skin. But yeah, like I said, this mask work very well if you go to sauna. But if you don't have sauna at home, you can do like that, apply this skin mask, make some towels, take some small towel, make this towel wet, put inside the microwave, or microwave 2 minutes, it's gonna be warm, and apply it to your face and cover with folie. It's gonna be the same like in the sauna. And don't forget your neck. So, after you apply this mask, just go in sauna for 20 minutes. See you soon after 20 minutes. Bye! Hi, and now I'm back. After 20 minutes I dry my hairs, and how you see, the skin looks very amazing. And so, let's go! First I'm gonna apply the primer for my face. And I'm very sorry about lights. I'm not at my home right now. That's why I have what I have. And so, for foundation I'm gonna use Fuck Me 130. Oh, my eyes, it's hurting. For my eyes, I'm gonna use KYLIE Jenner Cosmetics Birthday Collection Eyeshadow Palette with 9 beautiful colors. The first color, I'm gonna use this silver. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers because I forget home my makeup brush. I was very run today because I was very late. That's why I didn't take all what I needed. And I have to work with my hands. It's gonna be almost like challenge, make your makeup with your hands. Hopefully I didn't forget my blending brush. I can try to work with this. Second color I'm gonna use this orange. And today's makeup gonna be very natural. And I need to hurry up because already after 1 hour I have a meeting with my boyfriend in the restaurant. And that's why I need to hurry up. And then adding a little bit of black. And blend it in. And then the contouring. Again with black. Amazing. Just and then with concealer I'm gonna take out the fallouts. And then with bronzer. And lips. Oh, almost forgot. Mascara. And so, we're done. And so, I'm done. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. And see you soon in my next videos. Have a nice evening. With you today was Adri Beauty Tutorials. I love you guys. Bye.